Good morning, everyone. Shout out to all my friends like James Libres from Sabah, Malaysia, Merlin Libre from Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental, Nini Panilag, Junel Bermudez. Hello, shout out Samuel Tabares from Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental. Vic Amagan, hello, shout out from Sabah, Malaysia. Inday Saladaga and Ronald Saladaga from Sabah, Malaysia. Chief Mechanic Rosley Rodri, hello, shout out from Sabah, Malaysia. Lodi Matutina from Davao City. Nello Melo Matutina. May Albarazin Bastida. June Albarazin from Davao City. And also to Honorable GC Boyet Matutina and Elizabeth Matutina, Edier Matutina and Mildred Matutina. Shout out. And also to Luisa Magallanes from Poblacion. Shout out. And Perla Caray Firando and family. Lisa Bradley Posta Alegro. Shout out. And Mayonedo Alegro. Shout out. And also to Mike Tan and Darwin Albarazin and Apollo. Shout out. Love you all.